Hey viewers, welcome back. This weekend I went shopping in Primark and I picked up a few bits and I got a parcel from ASOS, so I thought I'd do a little mini haul for you today, show you what I got. I got this massive bag with a few items in because most of the stuff I bought was for my mum's birthday. I'm gonna start with this. There's only one item in here, but I thought I'd save it to open on camera because I'm excited. And I thought you might want to have a little look. Ooh. Cardboard. My floor is going to be a mess after this. Ooh, soft. Tiny though. It was £12 on ASOS. It's got pockets. And I bought it to go with the Slytherin t-shirt I got for my birthday. Just to tuck it into for summer. So I hope that fits. I got it in a size 8 because my waist is quite narrow anyway. We will see. I will try it on. I will insert a photo here and you tell me if it fits me. So I also went to Tesco with my sister for dinner and she was naughty, came across these and she bought us one each. This has been opened. I have had a look at the character, but I will show you who it is. I was really excited. These are the ones you can get. Focus. Hello. I wouldn't have been happy with a Rendle, and I didn't really want an owl. And I've already got a Ron, so I didn't want to get in with a sorting hat on. But other than that, like, I would have loved any of these, especially the Thestral or the Dementor. I think they'd have looked really cool next to my Voldemort. Ooh. Who could it be? I don't know. I didn't open it before. I got so excited on the bus. There's my girl. It's Bella. Look at her! Ooh. She's got like the cutest little pattern on her dress. She's got a little pocket. Her makeup is on point. Her hair is great. When I first opened it, like, her hair looked really light, so I thought it was Luna. But now that I've got Bella, I'm really happy. She can stand next to my little Voldemort and they can be in love if they want to. Finally, we have the products I bought in Primark. I only got 4 things, but I'm really excited about all of them. Let's start with Harry Potter stuff. You've probably seen both of these things before, but Bristol Primark is usually quite behind when it comes to the homeware. I find that they get the clothes in straight away, but the Harry Potter homeware, they can take a few weeks to stock. Like, I haven't seen any trinket dishes yet. But apparently they've had these for a while because these were on sale. It is a pack of 4 coasters with the house emblems on them. I, as you can tell, am a Slytherin. I wanted to be a Ravenclaw, which is why I got this cushion here. This cushion here? But then I was sorted and it turns out I'm a Slytherin. So I stopped buying Ravenclaw stuff and I switched immediately to Slytherin. And the same thing happened with my sister. She wanted to be a Gryffindor, but she was sorted into Hufflepuff. So I think I'm gonna have these 2 and then she can have those. I think this was really good for £2. It's 50p per coaster. I have 6 coasters in this bedroom, but now I'm gonna have 8 because these give me life. Other Harry Potter item is the bunting. I haven't opened this yet. This was £3. This is what it's gonna look like. It's nearly 2 meters, I think. And I'm not sure where to put it yet. I may put it above my Slytherin banner or at the top of this wall here, but I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll even put it on that wall. I'm actually gonna open it now and see what the baby looks like. It's cute! So much packaging on my floor. The ribbon's sparkly? Did you know? I didn't know. They concealed it from me in the packet. What a fun surprise. So, let's turn this mother around to show you. Ah! It's so cool! Look at it! I can't wait to put this up. And then I can show you a photo. I can't wait. Bargain for £3, I think. Next. These. I'm in love with these. I haven't worn them yet, so I can show you them in the packaging. Look at these earrings. Aren't they to die for? Aren't they stunning? They were £2. I keep finding amazing things at £2. I don't know if you sense the theme here, but oh my god, can you see how I would rock these? They are so soft. They are just spectacular. They're £2. I love them. I'm gonna live in them. Thank you, Primark. Final thing is a jumper. It's a crop jumper. It's stripy and it's got cherries on it and it's just so nice. Again, I bought this in a size 8. It's so soft and fleecy inside. And yeah, I'm really happy with that. Again, I'll try it on and I'll insert a picture. This was £5, by the way, in case I didn't mention. So that's everything. I really hope you enjoyed and you liked the stuff I got. I'm so excited to put those earrings in my ears and just flaunt them and live my best life. If you're wondering why my setup looks a bit different, it's because I got a bookcase for my birthday. It arrived a week before and my mum was like, here you go, just put it up when you want. So I put it up yesterday. I'm so happy with it. I have an all black shelf in honor of my inner goth, and I have a Harry Potter shelf. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Have a good day, have a good week, enjoy your life. Like, comment and subscribe to me if you want to. Bye!